Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey guys, how you guys doing? Hi. So I'm back today guys with another reaction video to the K-pop group A.C.E, A.C.E, and I believe I got the translation right. I think it's Ecstasy performance video or Baby Tonight. I think I got it right. I went straight to Google. I was like, what is it? And Google said Ecstasy. So this is their performance video. So let's see what they're gonna be giving now. Hey. Come on, fashion fluidity. What? Hey. Okay. Hey. Stop. Hey. Oh, listen at his knees. His knee. Okay. One thing I like about the K-pop and the J-pop is their fashion sense. They basically their fashion trend or fashion sense choose not to put a gender specific on it, which I do love about it. And I'll say this over and over in all my videos. Here in America, not so much. If they do, they get scrutinized for it. Unless they're heterosexuals. Back to the video. This is not the same 4K studio. I don't think so, because I don't see the logo. Okay. Ah, that was tight. Rewind. That was tight. Doom doom doom. It's giving me gacked right there. It's giving me so much gacked. Hey. Come on, footwork. Okay, so the guys, that was Ace with their performance video. I believe the song is Ecstasy, or is it Baby Tonight? I'm not really sure what Google was telling me. I'm gonna go what Google's telling me. That was a very nice, cute video to see them doing. I don't think it's the same 4K studio that a lot of these K-pop and J-pop artists are using. Is it called Chrome? some 4K stuff. It's very beautiful digital. So that was Ace, guys. I really do appreciate for the ones who brought this group to me. I really do like it. Like I said over and over, K-pop and J-pop. Now M-pop is in there and P-pop. Love it. Love it. I love it. Whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. Please, 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 please feel to leave a link. I really do enjoy this group, don't get me wrong. And I always say this over and over when it comes to the K-pop and J-pop girls, especially K-pop. There's so many different groups, and I love the fact that they all get to shine. You know, we get to see each group based off their creativity, based off their style, you know, and you know, Ace is one of those groups that most people know, you know. You have Ace, you have Monster X, you have 17, you have NCT, then you have BTS. There's so many, but hey, let's get it. I don't know what to say. I really do appreciate you guys for watching. I always say this, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Good night.